Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Nissan Versa SV in Aspen White. With automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, shark fin antenna, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 1.6-liter charged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6198.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.